Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Joyce from SNK Tinggi Serike. So on behalf of my team, Mr. Leong Siu Chu and Mr. Wolin Jong, I would like to present our innovation called the Optical Kit. So Optical Kit helps problems to solve two problems. Number one, students cannot verify Snell's law, and students take up too much time to complete the three experiments. So our objectives are to help students to calculate refractive index, to determine the critical angle, and also to observe the light phenomenon of total internal reflection of a glass box or any transparent medium. So our target groups will be the Form 4 physics students and also the Form 1 science students because these topics are included in the syllabus. In the conventional method, we have the power supply, the rare box, the protractor, and of course the A4 papers. However, in Optical Kit, all of these problems will be solved. So what we have here, at the top here is actually a LED light box. So inside here there is an LED. So at the bottom here there is a 9-volt battery. So when students conduct the experiment, they just have to place this glass box on top here. So once the on top is placed, so they just switch on the LED light box. Okay, and then the light angle of incidence and the angle of reflection can be determined. And also, by using this, students are able to calculate the critical angle and observe the light phenomenon of total internal reflection. So this Optical Kit is designed and printed using a 3D printer. So what are the issues solved by Optical Kit? Firstly is, of course, the cost. Secondly, it helps to solve the problems of global warming and logging. Global warming because the LED light is used, so less heat is emitted. For logging, is because we only use a protractor sticker here. It is time-saving, of course, it helps those students and teachers in those rural areas who have a lack of access to electricity. So they can conduct this experiment anytime. So what are the results that we get? So the median marks of our students improve from 35 to 55 marks, an increment of 20 marks, and also it helps to reduce the gap between the gender by 4 marks. So what are the advantages of products? Firstly, it helps to reduce weight by 90%, from 3 kg to 300 grams. Also, it helps to reduce the cost by 77%. Next, it helps to reduce time by 67%, from 15 minutes to only 5 minutes. It helps to save the environment because no paper is used and less heat is emitted. It improves the results by 20 marks. And lastly, it is user-friendly as students will have no problem using this Optical Kit. In conclusion, Optical Kit is designed to boost students' interest and confidence in science, as well as moving towards green labs, as no A4 paper is used while conducting the 3 experiments. Thank you.